hey everybody, today my bag from Colleen CM Designs is here from Colleen. It's here. I have not looked inside. I have only opened the bag to make things easier. So let's do it together. Ooh. Wow. Wow. Okay. This is called the Stardust and Moonbeam, a celestial dance. Okay, you ready for the reading? Here we go. me. Okay. In the night sky, two inseparable friends, Stardust the star and Moonbeam the moon, enchanted all with their glow. As dust turned the sky indigo, Stardust signaled Moonbeam, and they began their dance. Stardust twinkled while Moonbeam's silvery glow illuminated night travelers' paths. Their dance was a symphony of light, with Stardust leaping and Moonbeam gliding gracefully through the constellations. One night, Stardust suggested exploring the Milky Way. Moonbeam, eager for the adventure, agreed. Together, they danced among constellations and shooting stars. They met a comet named Ember, who was hesitant to join them. Stardust and Moonbeam encouraged her, and Ember joined the dance, creating a dazzling masterpiece in the sky. When they met Ember, they also gathered moon rocks from Moonbeam, creating a special gift for her new friend. As dawn approached, they returned to their places, promising Ember they'd meet again. Stardust whispered, "We will always find one way back to each other." Moonbeam smiled, "Together we will always shine the brightest." And so their dance continued, lighting up the sky as a testament to friendship, love, and acceptance. A beautiful story about Moonbeam, Stardust, and Ember. Thank you for listening. So let's get on into it. This little note says, "I hope this package brightens your day," and I'm sure it will. So let's open it. Oh my gosh. I can't wait. I know there was an unboxing already, but I want to see the beads up close. Nice little bag with the moonbeam and the stars on it. And let's see. We get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 items in this box. So I got my little thank you with the little kitty. Cute. Oh my gosh. Open it, Maisha. Let's just see. Oh, oh my gosh. How cute is that? A little wire. Oh my God. Is it wire? Oh my gosh. I feel like it's, I don't know if it's wire or if it's just a 3D kitty. Really cute. Look, a little kitty. He's green like this guy here. I was wondering why that guy was green. Cute. Aw. These are pretty. These look like some check glass bicones in a amethyst color. This is a pretty bag with the moon and a pin. And you rock. Sometimes you forget you're awesome, so this is your reminder. Oh, very cute. Oh, what is it? Oh my gosh. Oh, that's so funny. Hey, it's a squishy thingy. Maybe he's a stress ball. Look at him. The rock stress ball. Cute. Very cute. Very cute. Very cute. Oh, some stickers. More stickers. Okay, my little bag is empty now. Okay. All right, so I got another one of them. This one is a check by Cones in Cobalt. Yep. This one is electroplated glass imitation jade rondelles. Okay. This one is, this is so pretty. Is that what this, look, I see. This is blue goldstone. So this is blue goldstone here. I know that. And I'm trying to figure out. Sorry. I know when, oh, this is the crystal quartz. That's what that is. Crystal quartz blue. I think blue goldstone is so pretty. I love all those little flecks in there. And this goes really well with the box that we got from Steve and Debbie from the Gemstone Orphanage. Yeah. Look at these. Aren't they beautiful? Oh my God, this is a 15-inch strand blue. Let's see, which one is this one? AB plated glass beads. So pretty. Very pretty. Those are very pretty and shiny. This is also blue goldstone. These are 6 millimeters. I got these in Jody's bag too. They're so pretty. I love them. I'm into them. I'm into them. Then we have some blue goldstone that also has some stars and some little coin bead. These little coin beads are adorable. Aww. Then we have this rondelle. This is electric plated glass imitation. Wait. Is this right? Electroplated glass, bamboo, and monochrome mix. I don't know which one this one is. I'm sure. Rondelles, 30 pieces. No, it's not that one. And I don't want to waste your time looking, but I think this might be... This might be the monochrome, unless you're plated glass, bamboo in monochrome, maybe? Or it's this one. No, that's what this is. I got a headache. Oh, Stormy Sky. No. Okay, so this one is Bestie's Forever Strand. No. Because these are Hishis. Maybe I'm just trying to go through it too quickly. I'm so sorry, y'all. But that's pretty. I'm trying to go through it too quickly, I think. And I'm overlooking it. This is a yin and a yang, sun and a moon pendant. There's 2 sets of these. I love them. So cute. Yes, you guys, I can read. I'm going too fast. Oh, cute. Now we have a moon and stars. There's some hematite. I know what that is. This is the bamboo one. See, this is the bamboo, the monochrome. It's got the white, the gray, or the silver, and the black, right? So that was wrong when I was reading that off. And then we have, oh, it's got a moon, and so it's very tiny. I don't know if you can see that, but there is a moon and a star in there. Oh, so cool. These are metal alloy beads. And then this is my last bag. Okay, so this is a polymer clay, half moon faces with crystal star, 2 halves. These were made with extra love by our friend and bestie, Laura Filkin. Laura's amazing. Laura the Amazing. Okay. Oh, there's some extra moons in there. And some extra little beads. What is this? Wow. Those are really neat. Oh my goodness, those are cute. They look like moon rocks. Okay. I'll put those back in the bag. Put my moon rocks back in the bag and check out this moon here. Oh, this is so neat. Oh, how neat is that? I love it. Good job. She made it look just like the blue goldstone. Good job, Laura. You did wonderfully. Okay, friends, this was Colleen's box. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope everything here is pleasing to your sight. I had a great time opening the box, and I had a wonderful time supporting my friend Colleen. Okay, so if you like what you see, please hit that like button. And if you want to buy from Colleen, visit her Etsy shop. I will put the link to her Etsy shop in the bio, okay? In the meantime, if you received this box, and even if you didn't, go and make something beautiful. Bye for now.